find your comfortable position to meditate or to reflect. Don't make this a huge action, nothing that needs to be performed or done in a way that you thought meditation needed to be done. Just how can you feel comfortable to hold body position that will let you forget about the body and really come into the present moment? And forget about the body in the sense of forgetting that your body needs to be doing anything or you need to respond to any itch or anything that the body asks. Just be comfortable so you can just stay there and feel the body in its natural and true expression in the next 10 minutes. Nothing to achieve. You're not after anything here. You're just enjoying what happens and letting yourself be surprised. And take one natural breath in and let it out. Noticing the breath from now on. And noticing that the breath already knows what to do. You don't need to control it. You don't need to improve it. You just notice it. And now notice the pace that you have been carrying. Not just your schedule or your inner pace, but that subtle wanting to move forward to see what's next. That subtle rush that sometimes carries us throughout our days, as if something else needed to be happening instead of this happening. And see if you can notice this tendency in you without changing anything. Becoming aware of it. We are exhausted not from doing too much. We're exhausted from rushing through everything that we do. And this rushing does not allow for us to see possibilities, to see perspectives, to see the messages that are hidden in the present moment, the messages that are here right now. Notice what's here with you right now. And be willing to dig in, to discover what's underneath. If what's here is a sense of solitude, or if what's here is a sense of disappointment or satisfaction, let's go in and feel what that descriptive word means in your own body. What that thing that you know you're feeling that has a name because other people gave it a name. That which you are feeling right now, how does that feel like for you without a story? And when you feel distracted or in your head, go ahead and take a couple of deep breaths and come back to this moment. Because we are so used to rushing through everything. We rush through our morning routine. We rush through conversations trying to get our word in. We rush through meals without even tasting what each bite tastes like. We even rush through rest to check a box. I've rested. Not because you feel the rest inside. Always trying to arrive somewhere before we've fully been where we really are. So maybe in these next few moments, feel what it feels like to have nowhere else to go. Feeling the weight of your body. Noticing if anything softens inside of you only because there's no destination. Bringing your attention to your face. To your jaw. To your shoulders, to your hands. No need to do anything to them, just noticing them, maybe for the first time today. Sometimes awareness creates space. So I want you to imagine maybe just one simple activity that you do every day. It could be taking a shower or drinking your favorite drink or brushing your teeth. Just bring that to mind and notice the impulse to speed that activity up. And notice how quickly your mind craves for completion of that activity. Or the voice that says, come on, move it. And instead of obeying to all that momentum that we carry, simply stay feeling. What would it be like to stay in that activity? Just feeling, just seeing. Just being there. And notice what happens when you stop rushing. Maybe there's more sensation. Maybe there's discomfort. Or impatience. Or maybe there's more ease. Or maybe nothing is obvious to you. Slowing down is not about creating a better experience. It's about experiencing what you already have, truly and fully. Stay here one more minute, just trying to do just that, trying to do exactly that. Feeling the impulse of finishing this 1 minute, or feeling the pleasure of savoring this 1 minute. Either one is fine, just experience yours. Deepen your breath. Move the body softly. Acknowledge what's been hidden in between your wanting to get there and getting there. And commit to staying present more often this week. Staying with yourself, with the truth of what's here. Not what's to come, but what's here. And you can open your eyes when you're ready if they were closed.